What should honey be combined with to keep the skin smooth, stay youthful, maintain stable health, and still be safe for people over 50? This is a question many people wonder about. Because not every combination brings benefits, some wrong uses can even silently cause harm. Honey is called liquid gold of nature because it contains hundreds of precious nutrients, nourishing the body and slowing down aging. But if combined with the right ingredients, its effects can multiply many times, improving sleep, protecting the stomach, even fading age spots on the skin. In today's video, I will walk you through how honey is good, what to combine it with to maximize its effects, and especially what to absolutely avoid. Stay with me until the end of the video, because just one small habit can become the secret to long-lasting health and beauty. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a comment, share your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel so I'll have more motivation to bring you even more valuable knowledge. Wishing you plenty of health and joy, my dear friends. Before we dive into what honey should be combined with to enhance its benefits, I want to share why honey has long been considered a precious gift for human health. Since ancient times, honey has been used as a natural medicine, and today modern science has confirmed this to be completely true. Honey contains more than 200 different compounds, from natural sugars like fructose and glucose, which provide abundant energy while being easier to absorb than refined sugar, to B vitamins, vitamin C, and many important minerals such as zinc, iron, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients directly support cell nourishment, tissue regeneration, and immune system strengthening. In particular, honey also contains natural enzymes and antioxidant polyphenols. These are the factors that help reduce inflammation, slow down aging, protect the heart, and prevent many chronic diseases. Not only inside the body, honey also has strong antibacterial properties, which is why people have long used it to apply to wounds for faster healing, or drink with warm water to soothe a sore throat when coughing. Drinking 1 spoon of honey mixed with warm water in the morning helps cleanse the digestive system, reduce acid reflux, soothe the stomach, and if taken before bed, it relaxes the nerves and promotes deeper, better sleep. It is thanks to this unique combination of pleasant sweetness, rich nutrients, and anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties that honey has been dubbed the liquid gold of nature. But you know what? Its value doesn't stop there. When honey is paired with the right ingredients, the benefits can multiply many times over. Some combinations warm the stomach and prevent colds. Some detoxify the liver and kidneys while beautifying the skin. And others act as a natural shield protecting the stomach and boosting immunity. The important thing is to clearly understand each pairing so you can choose correctly. And right now, I'd like to share with you 4 popular combinations, recognized by both traditional wisdom and modern science: honey with ginger, with lemon, with turmeric, and with garlic. Each pairing carries its own unique benefits, simple, easy to apply, and safe for daily health. First, honey combined with ginger. My dear friends, in traditional Eastern medicine, ginger is considered a warming herb, with effects that dispel cold, warm the stomach, and stimulate digestion. From the perspective of modern science, ginger contains a valuable compound called gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties, and can ease nausea and indigestion. When ginger is combined with honey, these 2 ingredients create a wonderful synergy. Honey, with its natural sweetness and antibacterial nature, helps soothe the throat and reduce soreness, while ginger works to warm the respiratory tract, reduce inflammation, and prevent the invasion of bacteria and viruses. That is why ginger soaked in honey is not only a traditional remedy for coughs, colds, and sore throats, but also an excellent aid for digestion. Many medical studies also show that consuming ginger and honey regularly helps reduce bloating, belching, and indigestion, while improving blood circulation, especially beneficial for those who often suffer from cold hands and feet or low blood pressure. The method is simple. Just slice a few pieces of fresh ginger and soak them in pure honey in a clean glass jar. Let it sit for about a week. Then use it. Each morning, mix 1 teaspoon with warm water and drink it about 30 minutes before meals. This not only warms the stomach but also naturally boosts immunity, without worrying about side effects. Honey combined with lemon. Lemon has long been known as a refreshing fruit, rich in vitamin C, citric acid, and powerful antioxidants. Vitamin C in lemon plays an important role in strengthening the immune system, helping the body fight bacteria and viruses, and supporting collagen synthesis for firm, youthful skin. Citric acid stimulates the secretion of gastric juices, making digestion easier and helping the body eliminate toxins. When lemon is combined with honey, this mixture becomes a delicious and highly beneficial drink. Honey's gentle sweetness balances the sharp sourness of lemon, while adding enzymes and antibacterial compounds. As a result, honey lemon water can soothe the throat when hoarse, ease dry coughs, freshen breath, and especially support liver and kidney detoxification. Drinking it regularly in the morning on an empty stomach, a warm cup made with half a lemon and 1 spoon of honey, helps the digestive system function smoothly, while providing alertness and lightness for the entire day. Nutritional studies also show that maintaining the habit of drinking honey lemon water in the morning helps regulate blood sugar, support natural weight loss, and increase antioxidant capacity in the blood. That's why many people consider honey lemon water a true elixir for health and beauty. Simple, inexpensive, yet safe and highly effective. Honey combined with turmeric. Turmeric has long been regarded as a golden herb in both traditional and modern medicine. Its most valuable component is curcumin, a compound well known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, as well as its ability to aid wound healing. Curcumin also inhibits the growth of H. pylori bacteria, the culprit behind stomach ulcers and acid reflux. Additionally, turmeric stimulates bile production, supports fat digestion, and improves liver function. When turmeric is combined with honey, the two ingredients complement each other to form a natural shield for the digestive system. Honey's antibacterial nature creates a protective layer for the stomach lining, while curcumin in turmeric helps heal damage and reduce ulcers. As a result, stomach pain, acid reflux, and indigestion improve significantly. Beyond digestive health, the honey-turmeric duo also helps detoxify the body, combat oxidative stress, slow down cellular aging, and promote smoother skin, reduce dark spots, and naturally fade scars. Usage is simple. You can mix turmeric powder with honey to form small pills to take daily. Or mix 1 spoon of honey with half a spoon of turmeric powder in warm water and drink it about 20 to 30 minutes before meals. Taken regularly, not only is your stomach better protected, but your skin becomes brighter and smoother, and your body feels much healthier. Finally, honey combined with garlic. My dear friends, garlic has long been famous as a natural antibiotic thanks to allicin, a compound with powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Many modern medical studies confirm that allicin in garlic helps lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol in the blood, boost immunity, and protect heart health. In addition, garlic has strong antioxidant effects, helping prevent the formation of free radicals, which are the main cause of aging and many chronic diseases. When garlic is combined with honey, it truly creates an outstanding synergy. Honey, with its natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities, helps soften the pungent taste of garlic, making the mixture easier to consume, while also adding enzymes and nutrients. This duo is especially helpful in boosting immunity, preventing colds, soothing sore throats, and supporting the respiratory system, particularly on days when the weather changes unpredictably. Beyond that, the combination of garlic and honey also improves blood circulation, reduces fatigue, and for many older adults, it serves as a natural way to help prevent atherosclerosis. The preparation is simple. Peel a few cloves of garlic. Crush them lightly to release the allicin. Then place them in a clean glass jar and cover with raw honey until the garlic is submerged. Seal the jar and leave it in a cool place for about a week before using. Each morning or evening, just take 1 small spoon of garlic soaked in honey, either mixed with warm water or eaten directly, and that's enough to strengthen your health and enhance immunity for the whole family. My dear friends, while honey is truly a precious gift of nature, that doesn't mean we can use it carelessly or think the more the better. In fact, there have been many cases of problems simply from using it the wrong way. For example, if you mix honey with onions, chives, or tofu, it can easily cause bloating, indigestion, or even diarrhea. The reason is that these foods contain sulfur compounds and plant proteins, which, when combined with the enzymes in honey, create reactions that are harmful to digestion. Many people assume honey combined with anything must be good. But in reality, some pairings silently harm the stomach. Another common mistake is mixing honey with water that's too hot. Many people think boiling water makes it cleaner or kills bacteria. But in truth, it destroys the precious enzymes and heat-sensitive vitamins in honey. That drastically reduces its nutritional value, leaving behind mostly sweetness but not the original benefits. And let's emphasize one more important point. Although honey is good, overconsumption has the opposite effect. Honey contains a high amount of natural sugar, and if used excessively, it can raise blood sugar, cause internal heat, acne, and over time, it can harm the liver, kidneys, and cardiovascular system. So how should honey be used correctly to be both safe and effective? The recommendation is only 1 to 2 teaspoons per day. The best way is to mix honey with warm water at around 95 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Never boiling water. As for timing, in the morning after waking up, a glass of warm honey water helps cleanse the intestines, gently detoxify, and supply energy for the day. At night, about 30 minutes before bed, a warm honey drink helps calm the nerves, reduce stress, and ease the body into deeper sleep. If you maintain this small daily habit, I believe you'll soon feel the difference: a lighter body, a stronger digestive system, smoother skin, and a more relaxed, peaceful mind. To be fair, honey is not a miracle cure for every disease. But because it's natural, safe, easy to find, and full of nutrients, using it the right way truly makes it a priceless health gift. Start with just 1 spoonful a day. Keep it as a gentle routine, and you'll notice the positive changes honey can bring. If you found this sharing useful, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe so I'll have more motivation to bring you more valuable knowledge about health and life. Wishing you much health, peace, and happiness. Goodbye, and see you again.